Short physics. Let's talk about friction. When a force F tends to slide a rough body along a rough surface, a frictional force which opposite and parallel to the force F acts on the body from the surface. It is due to bonding between the body and the surface. If the body does not slide, the frictional force is a static frictional force Fs. If there is sliding, the frictional force is a dynamic frictional force Fd. If a body does not move, the static frictional force Fs and the force F are equal in magnitude. If the force F increases, Fs also increases. The magnitude of Fs has a maximum value Fs max when the body begins to move. Therefore Fs max has another name as limiting frictional force. Fs max is given by Fs max equals mv s Rn, where mv s is the coefficient of static friction and Rn is the magnitude of the normal reaction which acts on the body perpendicular to the base of the surface. If the force F exceeds Fs max, the body slides on the surface. If the body begins to slide on the surface, the magnitude of the frictional force rapidly decreases to a constant value Fd. Fd is given by Fd equals mv d Rn, where mv d is the coefficient of dynamic friction. Let's move to the microscopic view of friction. When two rough surfaces moves relative to each other, dent on each surfaces collide with each other. Then reaction force occurs on the each indent. The resultant of all horizontal components of all reactions is denoted the friction force. The resultant of all vertical components is denoted the normal reaction. The change of friction force with the force F is like this. If you got something, please subscribe.